Chairman of Sky Hospital, Dr. Shyam Kishore, appeals to the people of Khangabok not to denounce the hospital which has been serving the people. People of Nagamapal Phagway Sangbam Lekai staged sit-in against killing of a youth at his own gate. The family demands justice. And the road leading to 150 years old Kubung Kuno village is in a deplorable condition. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chairman of Sky Hospital, Dr. L. Shyam Kishore, appeals to the people of Khangabok not to show the hospital, which has conducted open-heart surgery several times, in a bad light. Speaking to media persons at the hospital on Rims Road, Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shyam Kishore said that an open-heart surgery was conducted on the 2-year-old girl born with a hole in the heart. He maintained that the surgery on Ibema, daughter of K.H. Rupachandra from Khangabok, Khulakpam Lekai, was done with the consent of her parents and not forced by the hospital. Shyam Kishore said that the hospital authority also told the parents before the surgery that the surgery is successful 95% of the times. However, there was a 5% possibility of being unsuccessful. He stated that the surgery was conducted successfully on February 24. However, as the girl was suffering from pneumonia and viral infection, she passed away 3 days later after the surgery. He maintains that there was no mistake during the surgery from the hospital authority. He lamented that it is disheartening that people falsely alleged the hospital without knowing the truth on media. Taking part in the press meet, the legal advisor of the hospital, Advocate Ngangom Tej Kumar, said a case has been registered regarding the death at Imphal West Police Station and investigation has begun. He also said that post-mortem was conducted and the report will arrive soon. Tej Kumar also appeals to the people not to agitate before knowing the truth.
Parents yanani moigi ayaba yauna moine tobiro habidagi koina toba patient si over cancel dorga moigi happy demne si marak se the patient sing ngarang the su hum name percent tobiro no kana saksi da I want the ningan naban po le mana si the I am a state of present of Brazil. I don't know how to keep on attending. Opener surgery to the charm of the charm successful in a minimum or never. Well, the talk here. Parents in the understood Tauraga. Body see from Daisida. Tuition la gaita hospital the storm dog never. Illegal never. I am matungina, postmortem matungina, legal medical inquiry matung result matungina. Thing but thing the Harakati. Thing Basunga Moy, Thing Basu Tingoy, Karigino Haida, Koigi, the Gidigi, Swiba like he did. The Wom Topal Venamak Dogi, the Koigi instrument, the infrastructure, the doctor, the nurses, the completely is a very standard hospital.
KSM investigation, however, Matunda, Masiga Atumoran, Kangi, Manungsida, Koigi hospital, da Atiakai, Tohalava, Aki Kang Pohalava. Adagi Tauri the Tabaka, Dharna, Tautardi, Madu, Ichum Mapota, Madu, criminalized over Tagani. Aduna Karimba, P and Dragadi, Forum Yam Lady, District Consumer Forum Lady, State Consumer Forum Lady, as a negligent act near Nagana, criminal act near Kanbi Ragana, Chief Judicial Magistrate Court complaint of BBI.
According to the latest updates, family members have taken the death body of Ibema, a 2-year-old girl who died at Sky Hospital, after the JSC formed against the death met with Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren this afternoon. The JSC resolved to take the death body after the Chief Minister assured that the government will investigate if there was any mistake from the hospital authority during Ibema's treatment and to take befitting action against the hospital authority if it is found guilty from Monday, as the Yaosheng festival is ongoing. The last rites of Ibema was performed after the JSC members, family members and people of the locality took the dead body from Jennings morgue today. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary of the JSC, T.H. Dilip Kumar said they resolved to take the body, trusting the promise made by the Chief Minister, and warned of intense agitation if the Chief Minister fails to keep his words.
Manipur lariba sigumba chen tangen khaliba private hospital singasi pathakta akan mamieng thamagani loinana haiba case asida karigumba medical expert ki report asina doctor gi nato hospital administration da soiba thenaragadi sungsoi soidana government na matik chaw action lokot pigani haiba honorable CM gi aduguma commitment adugi makha da koina yanare heraga ngasi gi dead body si puba ko yanare karigumba dead body lawragasu akoi gi agitation akoi khongjang si akoi hanjaroi maramdi adugumba expert committee gi report asi chap saba magi findings ama khoi gi JC khote yorkri phawa karino haiblang lalang jing khangri phawa siguma khoi agitation si hanjaroi.
A youth who went to attend Thabal Chongba was shot dead at his own gate on the first day of Yashang festival yesterday. The unfortunate incident took place around 1:30 early this morning at Nagamapal Phaugai Sangbam Lekai. The deceased is identified as Jagat alias Tony, 24 years, son of Thokchom Suresh from Nagamapal Phaugai Sangbam Lekai under Imphal Police Station. Sources of Impact News said that Jagat, a Tata DI driver, is a breadwinner of the family. Jagat went out to attend Thabal Chongba at Kashampat along with 4 friends last night. Jagat and his friends had a heated argument with some individuals on account of overtaking of vehicles on his way back home. The individuals in a maroon color Hyundai i10 stopped Jagat when he reached the gate of his house, and an individual reportedly fired 2 rounds from a double barrel and hit Jagat's back. Locals and family members of the deceased immediately rushed him to Raj Medicity. Members of a Rising Knowledge Club and Maira Paibi members and people of the locality staged a sit-in by blocking the road in the locality against the death today. Speaking to media persons, elder sister of the deceased Thokchom Jira questioned the intention behind killing of a person over a mere argument. She appeals to the state government and the authority concerned to find out the culprit and warned of not taking the dead body if the culprit is not punished at the earliest.
Isa hapa mi hat pado puthok piyo isa hapa mi hat pado puthok ti bok isa laugi roi isa ki kari marano mayamna thigat piyo
ai naw nupa se yausang hauba numini thaban chungba chakhibani mamanba mayamga thaban chungba chakhraga thaban chungba halakpa sida gari achauba ngamoiga gari do thainai khole na tawraga nomaina kapambane nomai thongal mapakta masagi thongal mapakta mayum yaurambane nomaina kapambane kapamido kari maram gino aiba khangde ai inauna kari lali mi hat pa do putopiyo mi hat pa putok tribo ai inaugi asi mag chang logiro.
Taking part in the sit-in, Thangmaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan told Impact News that SP Imphal West Police Temting Ngashangva assured that truth behind the death will be found out at the earliest and befitted punishments will be awarded to the culprits. Joy Kishan drew the attention of the state government on unreasonable issuance of licensed guns to civilians and further appeals to the state government to give due consideration on the matter to prevent any such untoward incident in the future.
Imphal West SP ka phone su koi gi miat pasing yam thuna koi corner to ngam ne na mon su thaja pi ai na su dum thaje asi within 1-2 days da so ni miat pa phang ne na sugumba geng gi oi ba pyom khulai pura na ta atang gi thak char ga ta mi hat pa ko to si masi koi yam kan section ma ta moire koi gi legi tre angang sina koi gi khudam moire ga masugum masi matung da thoktana ba honna ba ise koi gi khwaidagi achoba thodang oire government su handa kisdi yam akan ma khongdang ma thawlaga masina ahan ba oina tungda muhana thoktana ba honna kani thajai.
The 150 years old Khubung Kuno village still has underdeveloped roadways. An exclusive report in this regard from our reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person P. Bobo.
Khubung Kuno, located 5 kilometers away from Chakpikarong subdivision in Chandel district, is a village at the border of Myanmar. The village, established in 1867, has completed 150 years this year. However, the only road from the village to Chakpi Karong subdivision and Imphal is still in a deplorable condition. The road, constructed in an unplanned manner, has many deep potholes, rendering it non-commutable, especially during the monsoon, and the road is dusty during the summers. Chief of Kubung Kunau, Sangyul Benjamin told Impact News that part of the road was repaired under PWD and PMGSY. However, the condition of the road is still in a deplorable condition.
Hanad PWD na paibni, adubo hanagi ipapusing na di masana kunna toraga lawyabni, adubo ipapusing na PWD ki khasem rame, adudi khong lambini, adubo lambi khas satiman gumasang nabi khasem biye, adudigi lagraga hoji 2017 da PMGSY ki lae, adudigi adumatongdagi repairing sulakte, asidum lambi chatabsi nongaite phisapu thoraga khoi fund drop toraga JCB nairaga akoina isana semjabani adu yarabdi asi government da tuna koila sabiraga lambi se phajanbiyo haraga khoi appeal tawjari.
People in the tiny Anal village, inhabited by around 38 clans, still today remember the visit of Manipur's king Buddha Chandra Maharaj in 1984 on an elephant ride to give his blessings in acknowledgement of the significance of the village. Bad road and mobile network connectivity are giving grievous inconveniences to the villagers in this modern time. Chief Sangyul Benjamin lamented that though a primary school was set up in the village under SSA in the year 2014-15, lack of adequate infrastructure and residential quarters for teachers left the villager much discontented.
1988 da water supply scheme lae adubo hojik didi adugi abolish toraga khoigi isagi puthoraga hojik nung laiba nung marak tagi ising thorakpani a half kilometer da asi khoigi local gi pipe puthoraga khunda isana government gi laudabi da khoigi isagi puthoraga tanki ama sarame adu handak nercom gi tanki ama sarame reliance ama lairame BSNL adu hojik phobo function to the BCD akhoshun pende yarabdi BSNL si tuna function.
Villagers of Kubung Kunau asserted that a country's development is decided by the development of roads and bridges, and thus appealed the state government to repair the only road of the village at the earliest. With Bhakta Tarangbam, P. Bobo, Jasia Oinam from Impact News.
Now moving ahead, the once wood and bamboo made Chingjin Bridge connecting Iroishemba Chingjin and Takiel Kongbal, which was in deplorable condition since the last around 3 months, was inaugurated today after being renovated into an iron bridge. The significant bridge connecting two different constituencies above the Nambul River was reconstructed under the personal funding of Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar. Taking part at the inaugural, Chairman of Pari Imom Sindam Sang S. Mirajao told media persons that Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar gave assistance to renovate the bridge to take away the plights of the people caused by the pathetic condition of the bridge when he was approached around 3 months ago. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Haptullah, joined the Yaosheng celebration along with the Holi Pala singers today. Participating in the festival celebrated in the state inhabited by various communities since olden times, a sense of unity was induced. It may be mentioned that Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah, in her Yaosheng greetings to the people of the state, wished that the festival would enhance the harmonious relationships amongst the people in the state and bring peace and prosperity. Putting up a remarkable show, the BJP and its alliance partner Indigenous People's Front of Tripura (IPFT) surged ahead of the ruling CPIM left front in the counting of votes for 59 assembly constituencies in Tripura. In Nagaland also, BJP and its alliance NDPP have crossed halfway mark. In Meghalaya, Congress is emerging as the single largest party. Out of 59 results declared so far, Congress bagged 21 seats, followed by NPP 19, UDP 8, BJP 2, 2, Independent and others 9. In Meghalaya, though the Congress has emerged as the single largest party, BJP is confident of forming the government along with the UDP and NPP. Congress candidate and Chief Minister Mukul Sangma have won both Ampati and Songsak seats. NPP candidate Agatha K. Sangma has won South Tura seat, defeating her nearest BJP rival B.A. Sangma. In Nagaland, BJP alliance partner NDPP has won 29 seats and NPF 28. In Tripura, BJP is leading by 36, CPIM 15 and others have won 8 so far. In a huge setback for the CPIM, the Manik Sarkar government has been ousted by the BJP, which may pick Biplab Deb to lead its government. All the 3 northeastern states have a 60-member assembly, but polling was held for 59 seats each. Polling to Charillam Scheduled Tribe seat in Tripura was postponed until the 12th of this month due to the death of CPIM candidate Ramendra Narayan Debarma. In Meghalaya, the election was countermanded in Williamnagar in the wake of the killing of NCP candidate Jonathan N. Sangma in an IED blast. Organizing committee of the Tanglai Festival in a press release said that as part of the annual Tanglai Festival of Oinam village in Bishnupur district, renowned film critic Megha Chandra Kongbam has launched a YouTube channel entitled Fox Nut. The newly launched YouTube channel is dedicated to upload only Manipuri films. DSP in charge Kumbi Police T.H. Krishna Tombi, who is also a top official of Loktak Protection Force, handed over footballs and other sports equipments to Ithai Modern Civilization Club Ithai with an aim to promote sportsmanship today. As part of the Yaosheng Sports Meet and to boost a football event, Ithai Modern Civilization Club organized an exhibition football match between Kumbi PS 11 and Wangu Borayang B Zilla Parishad 11. Wangu Borayang B Zilla Parishad 11 team won the match by 5-2. DSP in charge T.H. Krishna Tombi expressed that sports kits were distributed with an objective to mold the younger generations into sports personalities. Thado Students Association TSA in a press release strongly condemned the leaking of a police complaint on social media platforms. The association said that they filed a complaint to Director General of Police on February 7 against a threat from groups of Kuki People Liberation Front, Kuki People Liberation Army KPLF and KPLA and TIKM. However, the complaint, which is supposed to be confidential, has been leaked on social media. TSA in the press release drew the attention of the authority concerned to terminate the responsible police personnel of Moray Police Station at the earliest. At least one died in an encounter between personnel of 38 Assam Rifles and suspected cadres of Thado People Liberation Front at Kaitelmanbi military colony near Kalapahar under Kangpokpi Police Station yesterday. The encounter took place around 8:30 last night. The dead body of the suspected underground cadre, an assault rifle and 1 magazine, 66 live rounds and other incriminating items were recovered during a search operation after the encounter. The deceased is identified as Lal Khosem Lovam, alias Sempu, alias Rexi Lovam, 21 years, a son of Kailem Lovam from Lumjang Veng, Modbung. A case was registered at Kangpokpi Police Station. The family member of Helgin Thang Dingmel has taken the body after post-mortem was conducted at Dreams Mortuary. Executive Engineer of National Highways Division 1 PWT Manipur in a press release gave 3 days notice for eviction to encroachers who have built business houses, workshops, shops, etc. on the footpath and above the drainages along National Highway number 2 from North AOC to Koryangge. The press release stated that such temporary constructions not only create inconveniences for commuters and cause traffic congestions, but it also degrades the image of Imphal City. And in sports, Impact News anchor Jessia Oinam bagged the championship title of the women's badminton event in the ongoing All Manipur Working Journalists Sports Meet 2018 today. In the semi-final match of the tournament played today at the indoor hall of Kuman Lampak National Sports Academy, Impact News' Jessia Oinam beat Impact News' Kanguzam Shelira in a straight set to enter the final. In the final match of the tournament, JC Yaoinam dropped ISTV's Enrina in a straight set and clinched the championship title. Men's football match will be played at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground tomorrow. The 39th Yaosheng Annual Sports Meet of Eastern Students Club, Nong Mai Bung, kicked off today. Members of the club fetched the sacred phlegm from Kangla Fort and lit the cauldron of the club to mark the opening of the sports meet. Commanding Officer of 6 Assam Rifles, Colonel Indrajit Singh, President of Eastern Students Club, Nong Mai Bung and Indrajit, the advisors of the club, R.K. Itocha, T.H. Sampson, B. Brajagopal, H. Hemochandra, were among those present at the opening event of the sports meet. Speaking on the occasion, Colonel Indrajit Sharma said that conducting sports meet during Yaosheng Festival is commendable. Colonel Indrajit Singh wished that the festival brings peace and prosperity in the state. Five-day-long Friends in Need Society finds Yaosheng Sports Festival kicked off with the lighting of the sports torch from the sacred shrine of Nongpok Ningthau Ipa at Hairok Tingdompok today. Various events based on education, culture and indigenous games will be part of the Yaosheng Sports Festival. Fines organize such sports events every year in connection with Yaosheng Festival. Fines appeals to the people in every colony of the state to encourage sports events for a healthy society. Many young boys and girls took part in the inaugural of the sports event. Imphal West District Football Association and DSA Chandel beats their opponents in the 7th Under-17 Boys Inter-District Kanglei Park Football Trophy today. In the second match of the knockout basis football tournament organized jointly by All Manipur Football Association and Kanglei Park Students Association at Imphal Polo Ground today, Imphal West District Football Association beat DSA Churachandpur 1-0. The winning goal was netted by M. Roman in the 44th minute of the match, while in the third match, DSA Chandel and Imphal East District Football Association were drawn 1-1 in the stipulated time of the match. While in the kicks from penalty marks to decide the winner, DSA Chandel scored 4 goals and Imphal East District Football Association scored only 3 goals to lose the match. DSA Chandel thus beat Imphal East District Football Association 5-4. 2 more matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chairman of Sky Hospital, Dr. Sham Kishore, appeals to the people of Kangabok not to denounce the hospital which has been serving the people. People of Nagamapal, Phaugai, Sangbam Lekai staged sit-in against killing of a youth at his own gate. A family demands justice. And the road leading to 150 years old Kubung Kunau village is in a deplorable condition.